And remove that N behind.
Egbomi.
You are not talking.
Egbomi.
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 Egbo.
Yes.
No, not Egbo. Egbo.
Egbomi.
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 Yes, Egbomi.
Guys will
Listen to
kill
me.
me.
Listen for me.
Egbomi.
Brother. Sorry.
Egbon.
Egbon is like
Egbon.
what is brother in Swedish?
Bro.
Bro. I hate that word. It doesn't look like a word.
Brother.
Brother, that's two.
No.
There are two.
No, it's just not 2 words.
No, I mean there are two
This is
brothers.
brother. One.
No.
Brother is two.
Brother. Multiple.
Yeah,
Yes, I'm saying.
Not two. Multiple.
Yeah, but
Okay, more than three.
You have to teach you, but
brother.
Yeah, you can say brother as well. But you can say brother.
But
But you can just say bro,
But
Shan.
this has
Bro, Shan.
If you say multiple.
I know this is brother.
Bro.
Umlaut.
Brother.
Brother.
Singular.
One.
Singular. Don't say one. Singular.
Singular,
Yeah, you
okay.
say one. That's the mathematics.
Okay.
But I'm about to-
So brother.
Brother.
Brother, yeah. Now
No,
that's
brother.
one.
One. So
That's singular.
brother.
Yeah.
Brother.
Yeah, with umlaut.
Pepe je bread in a bill.
Wait, give me right, left right. What about this one?
Right.
Which is bread?
That
Like
is-
bread.
This is bread.
Bread.
Bro.
But brother. No. It's brother.
Like bread.
No, but then. No, but then because
No, I-
because you cannot.
So unfair.
What of
Very
this?
similar.
Yeah.